Hi guys! How to download and play PUBG on PC and laptop. Now, open your web browser. Google Chrome works great, and search for the official Steam website. Navigate to the homepage. This first step is easy, but using the wrong site can lead to fake downloads, so stay alert. Click the Install Steam button at the top of the page. Download the installer file, open it, and click Next repeatedly to complete the setup. Here is a pro tip. Don't change the installation folder unless you know what you are doing. Launch the newly installed Steam application and log in using your existing account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, click the link to create a new one. Keep watching because the next step shows a trick to find games faster. Go to the store search bar inside the Steam application. Type PUBG and select the game from the drop-down list. This is where most people accidentally click the wrong version, so double-check before proceeding. Scroll down the PUBG game page, click the green Play Game button, choose your installation drive or folder directory, and click Install to start downloading the game files to your PC. This step takes the longest, so be patient. That's it! Your game will begin downloading automatically.